So the Partners Program is a program that is a win-win inside the Business League. Our aim is to make it amazing for our partners and to make it amazing for us. Um, so in order to do that, we've got a structure that we go through that supports them and makes sure that we get the results that our partners want. So the bottom line for the reason you network and the reason you'd step up as a partner inside the Business League is because you're after results. You're probably after bigger results, better results, more profile, more positioning, and to make it better for your business. The way we do this inside the Partners Program is we do it through profiling, positioning you, and progress, and making sure you get the progress you want. Now, what normally happens in networking is it's challenging because the progress can be slow. The positioning is all do it yourself, and you've got to promote yourself and convince everyone that you're amazing at what you do and they should use you. And the profiling is all one to one. It's all very much a numbers game of going one to one and doing it manually. So we want to shift that, and we shift that through being able to support you with your profile, your position, and your progress. If we get those right, we're going to create bigger results. Between profile and progress, things are going to happen faster. And between the work we do with positioning and progress, it's going to be easier for you. So inside each of those, there's three key components. Inside profile, it's about profiling you in our community. And this is our extended community beyond the events. It's our database, it's our newsletter campaign, it's our blogging content and promotion. Then we also have our events, and we profile you through those and through the attendees and the promotion beforehand as well. So we have a number of websites that we spread our events across, and that promotion supports our partners. And then we have social media. So we have a large audience through social media, and we have a process that supports all our partners get a greater profile. Next in position, we have we position you in a number of ways. We're probably some of the best in the business at positioning people. And we get told this by our speakers. We get speakers telling us after an event, they're like, wow, that process was amazing. You've positioned us better than anyone else ever has before. And these are speakers that are getting paid $5,000 a gig or $10,000 a gig. So there's a lot of benefit in that. What we do with the partners is position them with the speakers. So through our speaker hosting, speaker engagement, our partners benefit from that. We also have a program for specific partners that allows us to get in amazing contacts for them as speakers, for them to initiate contact and build relationship with far stronger and better than they ever could through cold calling or LinkedIn engagement or whatever the approach is. The next one is the other partners. So as a partner, we become a team to work together, and they support each other, get positioned amongst the community and amongst the events. The next one is we position them as leaders, as those go-to people, so that if people in the community have a problem, they're going to go to them, which means if our partners can help them, it'll flow around. And the more people asking the partners for help, the better it is for them. And it's not necessarily in the field of their industry, it's in being connected to other people, or what do they think about this and how can they do that? And it gives you that elevated status. So profile and positioning are really critical for our partners and for you guys getting value. The key for us though is in the progress and making sure that we're supporting you on a regular interval to get those results. We don't want to turn around at 12 months and go, hey, how was it? And for you to go, oh yeah, it was pretty good. And that's it. We want to make sure, we want to track that and make sure we're engaging on a regular basis to make sure you, the partner, get the progress you want. So the first one is the engagement, the how often we interact and us checking in and supporting you. The next is the support, for you to be able to get us on the hotline, the bat phone, and go, hey Ed, hey Beck, I'm a bit stuck on this at the moment. What can we do? Or hey, this is working well. How can I leverage it? Or hey, Ed and Beck, I've got this idea for our business. How can TBL support it? We're there to support you. As I said, it's a win-win engagement. And then the last one is the process. So we've got a process for doing the profile and the positioning and how that rolls out over a 12-month calendar. And that's make sure that we hit the milestones and give you the support, the positioning and the profile that you need. And so that in a nutshell is the Partners Program. Now there's a heap of logistics to it, which will get explained separately. So I just wanted to share that with you so you understood the big picture of how we have systemized and made it amazing for our partners.